All right, so we are going to start on our color wheel. So here's one that we've already got made up. So your primary colors, you've got red, yellow, and blue. And then your secondary, which are in between the primaries, are orange, green, and purple. So what we're going to do is we're going to create this color wheel. Now, my kids that are in class can use the compasses that we have. If you do not have a compass, oh snap, here's my compass. Okay, if you do not have one of these compasses, which I kind of recommend you guys get before, that's fine. I grabbed this plate out of the kitchen. You can use a plate, and this just fits. So you want to get one that is the perfect size for your paper, right? It fits there almost exactly. And because I forgot to grab something smaller to do the inside circle, I'm just going to grab this spray paint can. Put that in the center. You want to have something in the center. Now, how do you divide this up? First thing I'm going to do is I am going to divide it in half. All right, you kind of almost want to think of this as a clock. So I'm dividing it in half horizontally and then vertically. And then each of these sections is going to be, can you guys see that okay? Where's my marker? Let me do this with a marker so you guys can see it a little bit better. Almost looks like a gun target or something. Whoop. Now, once you have your 4 sections, you're going to divide each of these into thirds. You basically want 12 sections. So on this section, I'm just going to make a little notch, dividing that into thirds. And if I use that center point, all I got to do is draw that line. And again, I'm doing this with a Sharpie just so it shows up better on y'all's end. I'm going to drive this up into 3. So it's basically like you're making a clock where you've got a little piece of pie at each one, right? 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, and so on. Kind of looks like a clock. You guys probably don't even know how to read a clock like that. You only need your digital one. Oh, and I forgot my center circle. So you really can avoid that little center if you want. All right, so this is your end goal. So what you want to do is you want to start with red, yellow, and blue. Those are going to be your primary colors, okay? So I'm just going to, you just pick a spot. I'm just going to start right here just for kicks. This is, again, you guys probably can't see that. This is red, okay? And then I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to do yellow. And then you go to 1, 2, 3, and you're going to do blue. So you want to color in with, you've got paint, color pencil, whatever you have, color in those sections with that color. And we will pause for you to do that. So now that you've got those 3 colors, you're going to do your secondary colors. So go between, first of all, you've got your red and your yellow, okay? Go in between those, and you're going to do orange. Then go between your blue and your yellow, and you're going to do what goes, what does yellow and blue make? Green. Then you're going to go between the blue and the red. What does blue and red make? Purple. So you want to get all of those in place, and then we will do the colors in the middle.